Have you ever wondered how a computer can write an entire essay, create a stunning piece of art, or even compose a song? The magic behind all of this is something called generative AI. Let's break down what it is and why it's changing our world so quickly. So, what exactly is generative AI? Think of it as a creative robot. Unlike traditional AI that just analyzes or sorts information that already exists, generative AI is all about creating something brand new. It can produce fresh text, images, videos, music, and even computer code. It's not just copying and pasting. It's generating original content from scratch. How does it work? Imagine you wanted to teach a robot to paint like Picasso. You wouldn't just give it one painting. You'd show it thousands of Picasso's works. The robot would study every brushstroke, every color choice, and every shape until it understands Picasso's unique style. Generative AI works in a similar way. It's trained on massive amounts of data. We're talking about huge portions of the internet. Countless books, images, and sounds. By analyzing all this information, it learns the patterns, structures, and relationships within the data. It uses powerful technologies like deep learning and neural networks, especially models you might have heard of, like large language models or LLMs for text, and diffusion models for images. These models are constantly learning and getting better, which is why their outputs are becoming more and more realistic. The applications for this technology are exploding everywhere. In your daily life, it can help you draft emails or write a social media post. For developers, it can write and debug code, speeding up their workflow immensely. Artists and designers are using it to brainstorm ideas and create incredible visuals. Businesses are using it to automate tasks, improve customer support with smart chatbots, and come up with innovative new products. It's a powerful tool for boosting productivity and unlocking new creative possibilities. To put it simply, generative AI is a huge leap forward. We've moved from machines that can only analyze data to machines that can create. It's like teaching a computer to have an imagination. As this technology continues to get smarter and more capable, it's going to play a massive role in shaping the future of creativity, how we communicate, and the very nature of innovation itself. It's an exciting time, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the tech that is shaping our future. See you in the next one.